Competition with other hosts on Airbnb. It is the number one of the most significant Airbnb challenges. As the platform continues to grow, it becomes harder to stay on top of Airbnb ratings, and it's easy to end up in the bottom of the page if new listings outperform photos, prices, rentals, accommodations, etc. So, competing with other hosts, solutions, and importance. Problem: price undercutting. Solution: focus on providing unique features or amenities to differentiate your property and adjust pricing to stay competitive while maintaining profitability. Importance: essential for maintaining profitability and staying competitive. If you would like to have any reservations, you must be competitive on this market. Limited availability. Maintain a flexible booking schedule to accommodate last-minute bookings, and think about offering discounts or special deals for more extended stays or repeat bookings. Think about this way. For any check-in, check-out, you need to spend money on cleaning, sheets, maintenance, check, and everything else, right? So you could probably save money just offering a discount for long stay. Importance: it is important for maximizing occupancy and revenue. Negative reviews. Address issues raised in the reviews. Focus on providing exceptional experience and continually ask for feedback to improve. Importance: critical for a positive reputation and attracting guests. Most of the times, guests are reading negative reviews, and guess what? They are making decisions based on your negative reviews and the way you react to those negative reviews. Poor communication with guests. Be responsive and attentive to guest inquiries and needs. Provide clear and detailed instructions for check-ins, check-out, and offer a personalized touch to enhance guest experience. Needed for building positive relationships with guests and increasing likelihood of repeat bookings. Copycat listings. Focus on providing unique and original features and amenities to differentiate your property and maintain a consistent brand image. Monitor and report any intellectual property violations. Help to protect your brand and stand out from competitors. Photo selection and ordering. Titles, description, pricing, cancellation policy, and house rules affect your listing position and sales. Consider our offer so that you can increase your listings significantly in search results and get more bookings. Right below this video, right in this article, you can book a call with us so that we can help you with everything. Make sure you send us a message or email us so we can arrange a call. It's not going to be free, but we'll help you out with everything you might need.